how to use Replit's mobile app to build your own app or website. Once you open up the Replit mobile app, then you will be asked to sign into your account. And you may have noticed that it looks fairly similar to the desktop version here. You can describe your ideas and Replit is going to do the work for you. Here in the top right, you can use a template or you can import from GitHub by clicking on the three dots. Now, what about the projects you already have? If you click on apps here at the bottom, you will see all of your current applications which you have created, and you can just open them up and it's going to load up the chat which you have had with the AI and the progress you've made. Now here you can go through your previous chats and also you can go and select the different views here. This is just a test app, that's why it crashed, but if you click on the icon for preview, you can view your app. This one is going to be the chat. This one is going to be the publishing app, so you can directly publish your app from within the screen. And if you want to click on the plus sign, here you will be able to search for tools and files if you want to add specific tools or files. Now here you can also find your secrets. I'm just going to reopen my app. And then you have two other buttons at the bottom. This one is going to be for the view, and this one is going to be for the secrets, database, authorization, and you can also create a new tab. So basically everything you can access on the desktop, you can access here on the mobile app as well. And basically once you do this, I'm just going to go back and show you the account section as well. It's going to display your current theme. You can change it here to dark. You have spooky as well. And you can get Replit themes, the notifications, you can sign out of your account, you can purchase a pro subscription, and basically, like I said, you will just create apps or websites, projects with your Replit app by giving it the prompts. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.